In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital journal in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create. In the search bar, type Journal, Planner, or Notebook to browse ready-made designs. If you want a specific size, choose Custom Size and enter dimensions like 8.5 by 11 inches for letter, or A4. This ensures your pages fit standard screens and printers. Once your canvas is set, pick a template for inspiration, or start with a blank document if you prefer a fully custom look. Let's design the cover. Head to Elements to add a background. You can choose a solid color for a clean aesthetic, a subtle pattern for texture, or a photo for a bold statement. Then, switch to text and add a title such as My Journal or something theme-specific. Adjust the font, size, and spacing until it feels balanced. To personalize it further, bring in graphics or icons from Elements, or upload your own images. Keep your style consistent so the cover sets the tone for the entire journal. Now build your interior pages. Click Add Page to create as many pages as you need. For line pages, go to Elements, open Shapes, choose Line, and place a line across the page. Duplicate it, align the spacing, and repeat until the page is filled evenly. If you'd rather save time, search for pre-made line page templates and customize them to match your design. Add text boxes for prompts, daily entries, or sections like habit and mood trackers, or goal-setting pages. Clear headings, subtle dividers, and simple instructions make these sections easy to use. To make your layouts more engaging, sprinkle in tasteful graphics, flowers, moons, or checklists, keeping them consistent with your color palette. As you refine your journal, adjust colors, fonts, and layouts for a cohesive look. Turn on grids and guides from File, then View Settings, so everything lines up neatly. This is especially helpful for margins and spacing. When you've perfected a layout, duplicate the page to maintain consistency across similar spreads, like line pages or daily entries. Group related elements to move them as one unit and keep alignment intact. When you're ready to export, click the Share button, then download. For digital use, choose PDF Standard. It keeps the file size manageable and preserves any links you've included. If you plan to print, select PDF Print for the highest quality. Make sure all pages are selected, then download your finished journal. That's it for today's tutorial. Enjoy creating your digital journal, and thanks for watching.